You're now ready to tack weld the inner rear bumper wings, W2, onto the bumper. Locate these pieces and using a welding magnet, position the W2 into place. Once you have it positioned, tack weld the W2 to the rear bumper. Repeat this step for the other side of the bumper. Make sure you cover the vehicle as necessary. Once you have the wings tack welded into place, remove the rear bumper from the vehicle and finish welding. Confirm the fit of the rear bumper after welding and prior to final finishing.